we are back with the Whaler again. 17 Boston Whaler Montauk. We got Fritz Snell here.
Fritz Snell.
Say hi. He is helping us out, making this go a lot faster.
Yeah.
But no, it's kind of exciting. We are finally in the starting to piece it together mode. We just kind of placed the console where we're thinking we want it to go, plus a cooler for the kind of seating for me. We'll figure out the leaning post. We've got some sections of CUSA put in, so we've got, figuring out where we're going to put our seat. And this is actually probably going to be our water tank area. We're going to do like a custom water tank, put a little hatch there for access. We're going to put this back as an anchor locker.
Yep. Put that back together.
Yeah, we're going to put that back together.
Yep.
We will be, so this will probably come out.
So the water tank, where do you think we should put the hose? Like, you want the shower and everything to be up front, up here?
Yeah.
Just leave it all up here?
Yeah, I would make it easy.
Okay.
I mean, I figure that's, it's going to roll back to the back anyways.
Yeah, exactly. Everything will drain. It's going to be fresh water. So.
Yeah. And then, so we'll have the water tank will be underneath of.
Yep.
There's basically going to be another sheet of CUSA.
Yeah.
To kind of build a deck.
We're going to build this piece and bring it back.
Bring it back.
So, yeah.
And then we're going to up here, not this big, but if we could move this.
Yep, that's right, because we got to put the trolling motor.
So, yeah.
So it'll be some type of a CUSA. We won't use wood, of course.
No.
But everything's going to be this CUSA composite.
Nautical CUSA. And we'll leave access to be able to get under here to get the wiring done.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I want to do the wiring. Part of me was going to bring it through the rub rail, but then I also know that the wires for that are going to be thick, so I don't think they're going to fit, and I don't really want to make that run all the way to the back of the engine.
Okay.
So I'm not sure yet on how I want to do the wiring for that. If you guys have any ideas, drop in the comment section. How'd you guys put your trolling motor wires together? Just do a simple plug? Did you actually run it hardwired? Have a seat. Right. Let's see how much room you got.
Okay. Woo. Okay.
Yeah, so not ideal leg room.
Yeah.
So
that's enough for my feet.
Enough for your feet? Yeah, well.
I can probably scoot it back a little bit.
Yep. So we're going to do, like you said, smaller, cooler. We might even be, I don't know.
We might be able to scoot back.
I was going to say, we might be able to scoot the console back.
Yeah.
You want to try to slide it?
Yeah.
I know it's a little heavy now. So go a smidge more. Right about there. Because that'll still allow all the wires to come in.
Okay.
And then that. Because with the water tank, so because we're talking about putting a water tank up here.
Yeah.
In this area.
Yep. So
it's like if we fill this with a water tank, we'll have weight in the front of the boat.
Yeah.
And I won't really have to worry about, there's too much weight in the back.
And we can always fill the cooler too.
Yeah, you can fill the cooler. So
and throw Ace up here.
Yeah, exactly. Ace will love that little spot right there.
That'll be his little mounting spot.
Mounting spot?
I don't know.
It's not that kind of video.
No.
But yeah, that actually looks a lot better.
Ace, get up here.
No.
No, I'm sorry.
What?
What?
We are recording.
I know.
Okay.
I'm trying to make funny jokes.
But yeah, I think probably putting that back, making that just stay the anchor locker.
Yeah.
And then kind of keeping it original. And then, like you said, bringing this over.
So this will stay.
Yeah, it'll stay open for now.
We'll have
it'll stay flat.
Maybe a little hatch or a pie plate.
Probably a pie plate.
Access to the water tank.
Like if I can get a tank that's made and then the plumbing and everything is right on top and all the electrical, then a pie plate would be perfect for that.
Yeah.
And then, that would be full. And then we can put cushions all in this area. Yep. And then I feel like that's enough room for that's
here.
Probably more than enough room.
That's
there,
plenty.
And then put your feet up, and because you'll end up basically everyone's gonna put their feet up,
and
then put a a backrest on the console,
Mm-hmm.
back or a chair there. I feel like the cooler's a little wide, but I feel like it's going to be fine.
Yeah.
Backrest on the console
right here. And then we're trying to kind of figure out where we want to put the door to the console to get access to do the wiring and stuff, and then be able to obviously get back to it later. But we're thinking maybe in the front, right?
Yeah, like in the, down here.
Yep. And then so we'll make a little door hatch for access, and then we'll glass the console down. Once we get all of our
figure out
plumbing
what we
and
want to
wiring
do. Exactly.
done.
A lot of plumbing.
Because we're probably going to be drilling another line in the middle.
Yep.
Which that's where the PVC pipe
I know,
will go.
Yeah, well, there's a PVC pipe there in the center of all these whalers, and then we'll that'll be our bilge, but we need to put some type of a drain because we put this Cusa board in right there.
Yep.
So get out of Fritz Snell's way.
Yep. And then back here, we're going to have like a hatch, probably another little hatch.
Yep. Should we get rid of that?
I don't think that you can, but I don't really know.
Oh, we can.
Well, I know you can.
No, it doesn't come in here.
No.
Huh?
Nope.
So to come here?
Yeah. You're gonna have flushing. That's
okay. Yeah. So this will be open.
That'll stay open.
So so to go there. Okay. That makes sense.
See,
he knows. Yeah. And then I'll have to come up with some type of drain because otherwise we
need to have drain
sitting water in here.
So maybe
we can drill that later though.
Yeah, like you could.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well, so like where that center tube is.
Yeah.
So like right here.
Exactly.
We'll just put a hole.
Yeah,
and then
because
we'll put
then
a drain.
that can drop down into there too.
Yeah, and that's what will happen. Everything will go into there.
Yeah. This is going to stay
That'll be
open.
The engine. Yep. And then we've got we closed off the transom. I don't know if we've actually made an episode about that yet.
No.
So the transom used to come out and come down like the standard whaler, but we closed it off, reinforced it, added a lot more beef to it because we're probably going to, put a bigger engine on it than we should.
With a jack plate.
So there's going to be some weight.
Possibly a bracket too. I'm kidding.
Are you thinking maybe the bracket?
I don't know.
You're going back to the bracket?
I mean, there is one here I could put on, but it's
the scarab over there.
Yeah.
But yeah. But no, I think it's starting to look really good.
Yeah.
I think having that defined down there
helps a lot.
Really does help a lot. See how much space we have.
And we still have quite a bit.
Yeah, we still have quite a bit. We need to put we're going to put a leading post. I'm trying to find a leaning post that's not going to be too wide. That might be the next thing. It's probably going to be just a single post or like a single seat, not a double seat.
Just like a bench seat.
Yeah, like a bench, but
seat, but reversible.
Maybe like 30 or 40 inches, nothing that a lot of the ones I see are really wide.
Yeah.
And I want to make sure that we still have room to walk up and down the sides because most likely, and on this type of a boat, someone, if not us, would put some type of rod holders screwed onto the side of the console on each side. So it's like you're going to have rods. So definitely want to make sure we have enough storage.
Or actually, one other thing we still have to figure out talk to Fritz Snell about too is we got to build something for the rod holders for the paddleboard.
Yeah, for the paddleboard racks.
So, but we're going to obviously make it symmetrical for resale value later on. But we would I got to have my paddleboard, of course.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah. And I think what we might end up doing is just making, like you were talking about, is just like, we got the rod holder right here, making that out of Cusa and then just making an insert and then getting a stainless steel rod holder.
Yeah.
And just, putting it in there.
If you got any suggestions for us, any comments, whatever, we'd appreciate any thoughts, and hit the like button and comment anything.
Comment below.
Yep. Help us out.
And if you want to follow along on this project, we'll put a video on your screen for our next one. So click on that one.